Didn't hear anything in court today related to an alleged mass shooting plot, but our legal analyst says if that evidence does exist, it would likely come out later in this process. Two men accused by Richmond police of plotting a July 4th mass shooting go before a federal judge for the first time Friday. In the courtroom, Roman Balcarcel Bavagas and Julio Alvarado Duban, both citizens of Guatemala, accept the federal charges against them. This comes after the state turned over the case to the U.S. government amid conflicting information about where the alleged attack was supposed to happen. Police Chief Gerald Smith says Dogwood Dell, but the Richmond Commonwealth's attorney says there's no evidence of a specific location.
That is unusual.
Now, a difference in one man's charges. The Commonwealth initially charged Balcarcel with a gun crime, but the feds only charged him with illegal re-entry into the country. CBS 6 legal analyst Todd Stone explains.
It's just a different prosecutor taking a look at the evidence and making a different decision about what to charge them with.
Friday, Balcarcel tells the judge he's been in the U.S. for 11 months and works as an electrician. And a U.S. attorney asks for a bail hearing, citing concerns that he may be a danger to the public. Meanwhile, Alvarado Duban's federal charge is consistent with the previous state charge, possession of a firearm by a U.S. citizen, after police say they seized multiple guns and hundreds of rounds of ammunition from his home. Alvarado Duban waives his right to a preliminary hearing, meaning he recognizes there is probable cause for the case against him. Prosecutors also want a bail hearing for him, again citing safety concerns. While not surprising, nothing related to a mass shooting plot is mentioned in court on Friday. Stone says if that evidence exists, it may not come out until sentencing if found guilty.
Because they will do an exhaustive vetting of this charge and all the relevant conduct. And if there was evidence of a specific shooting somewhere, you would see that at sentencing. If it's not reliable or they don't have enough evidence, then you're not going to see that at sentencing.
And both men will be back in court again on Tuesday for that detention hearing. Stone says it's possible the prosecution may present evidence then to support their concerns about a safety threat. Working for you in the newsroom, I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.